Hi, welcome to Healthy Home Cooking. Today we are going to unbox the MAKITA Cordless Backpack Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum cleaner is 40 volts. It has a HEPA filter, it has a half-gallon dust bag, and it's a dry vac. So let's get opening. Get through all this tape. And here we go. It's begging to come out. Okay, head. And nozzle. And here's the backpack. Instruction manual, always good. And a hose. And the bags. Just a minute. I think there's something else like a battery or something in here because it's heavy. I think I should have gotten a bigger table. There's the battery. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Obviously, these are the bags, and they are disposable, I assume. So we'll just set those down here for the time being. And the hose. And here is the backpack. Another part of the hose or extension. Cordless Backpack Vacuum Cleaner's instruction manual. And the fast charger instruction manual. And of course, we have the warranty card. So we'll do the warranty, 30-day return, replacement, 3-year limited warranty, it looks like. Okay, let's look at this battery, then we can get it charging up. Of course, maybe they did have it charged before they shipped, but we'll find out. Okay, there's the battery. That's the part we slide in until it clicks. And then the light color will change from green to blue and charging will begin. Okay, it has these 2 notches that you need to line up with these 2 slots and then twist it clockwise, and that's all there is to it. Then we're going to, so it just clicks in, and then that leaves it go. Okay, and then this does extend, and it has these grooves. That's as far as it goes. We'll make it shorter, and then that should just slip on at the bottom. And there you go. And it looks like it does have a brush that, there we go. All you do is click this button here and the brush comes out. So, okay, let's open it up. And inside you'll find a reusable dust bag. And to take that out, we just push this lever and pull on it and hope nothing breaks. And there we go. And that's reusable, and you can empty it out, and then you don't have to use the disposable bags. But if you're going to use a disposable bag, then you're going to put this lip is going to go in under the hole here, and then just press that in and it clicks, And there you go. And if you can't get it shut, you did something wrong, so try again. So now let's see if we can adjust the straps to put this on my back. Here we go. We got to undo this. Yep, that's undone. And so this is going to need to be tightened up quite considerably here. So we're just going to pull on these and snug that. Get the hair out of there. Snug that tight, and the waistband here. And there we go. All we need to do now is put the battery in and get going. Okay, let's give this thing a whirl. First, we're going to put the battery on. And to do that, we're just going to slide it until it clicks. And then we're going to put the backpack on. I did want to point out they have lots of padding on the pack, so it should be comfortable. Weight-wise, it's not really all that heavy. If I had to guesstimate, I'd guess between 10 and 15 pounds, which isn't a whole heck of a lot, especially when you have these pads on it. Okay, these straps pick up a lot of weight. They transfer the weight to your hips. Okay, to turn it on, all you do is you pick what mode you want, and I'm going for number 2, which is the speed, and it's looking pretty good. Works very nice on just a smooth surface like this. It glides very easily. Another feature is it has a light, which you can use when you're looking into corners and underneath furniture. But I find it difficult to put the light on. You're just supposed to be able, there we go, to press it and go. And then, oh, that was easy with it off. Maybe I'm just going at it at a difficult angle. I don't know. Well, I'm not going to be giving up my central vac anytime soon, but if you have a place where your regular vacuum cleaner won't fit, like maybe a stairwell or your car or some other place, then this vacuum would be an option. It does have some pretty decent suction and does what it says it's going to do.